Hey, right out of the gun today, right out of the gate. Let me back up a little bit. I get this ball balancing on the bag of sugar. Okay, here we go. Look it, right in the center of the screen. I literally just turned this on. So, honestly, I'm going to try to move up on this thing. What is it? Watch it. It's going to start changing colors. I can't hold my hand still enough. Just shot out of the cloud. You see it? That's pretty cool. I don't know. I really, I've gotten a lot of, I don't know, plausible answers on what this is. Because we see how fast it's going, right? And you can see the little trail it's leaving behind it. It appears to be ripping through, I don't know, high atmospheric clouds maybe. And somebody said it could be a spy satellite. And I'm thinking to myself, that's a pretty low orbit for a spy satellite. How does it stay up if it's going through clouds? It does look like it's being propelled though. Oh, sorry. There she is. Leaves a trail coming out of there, and let's see if it changes direction. There it is. It's got to be. It has to be a different kind of satellite, right? It has to be. Oh, I just keep seeing it leave trails, though. Oh. I don't know. I mean, the space station's pretty high up. Where'd it go? It's in some heavy clouds. Let's see if it shoots out of its backside here. There it is. Yeah. It looks like it went up a little higher. Maybe not. Still just moving in a straight line, so the satellite theory is plausible, I suppose. Unless this is some kind of supersonic plane, because the space station's going like 17,000 miles an hour, right? How is it that we keep seeing this? I wonder. I'm calling these guys sky screamers because it's pacing the freaking space station, so it's moving like a raped ape. Is it possible it's a reflection of the space station? No, look, it's leaving a trail through the clouds. Wow. Well, I know you guys can see what it's doing because I'm watching my camera screen and I can see those little poofs coming out behind it. It's got to be in the atmosphere. Very perplexing. I really would like an answer. I'm just going to keep watching it. Did that thing just disappear? Kind of looked like it did. Oh, no, there it is. It's up higher. Just a little bit higher. What in the heck? I've lost it. Oh, there it is. I mean, you can see it disrupting the clouds as it's tearing through them. I'm almost thinking they're using the space station to track this thing. Like maybe this is some kind of test thing. I've lost it. I've lost it. Alright, I'm going to pause it until I find it again. Okay, I think it pops up coming up pretty soon. Could be wrong. There it is. It's very dim. It's right here. You can't even see it. But I think it's going to turn red. Like right in here somewhere. Or not. Or not. Okay, I just found a different one. I just saw it barely pop up. Where the fuck did it go? God damn it. Okay, believe it or not, it's right in here. There it is. There it is. It's like it seems lower. See it? Oh, I'm turning this thing like you're gonna follow it. You can barely see that tiny little red speck. It's cutting through the clouds here. I lost it. There it is. There it is. It's in the blue. You can see it pretty good now. I think that thing just turned red. Yeah, you see it? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it seems to turn red. Yeah, it was red right there. Oh, wow. Wow. I wonder if that caught on the camera. There it goes, shooting through that blue space, leaving little vapor trails behind it. Wow. I'm trying to find it on, I looked away from my screen. And I was looking at the camera screen and I freaking lost it now. Dang it. There it is, I see it. Right there. Right there. Almost going faster than the freaking space station. Good Lord. Right that. Oh yeah, I can see it on this screen too. Okay. Seriously. You see it pulling the clouds out behind it. Oh, there's a good shot of that thing just zipping right along. What in the heck is it? Yeah, I gotta believe it's something we put up there. It seems to be almost like intentionally pacing, right? Which is leading me to believe that it's something we put up there. Because it doesn't seem to change direction, it just keeps going straight. Kind of looked like it stopped there for a minute. Oh, there it is. It's still moving. Maybe Tyler knows what this is. He must have seen this before. I get to see it rip through some good blue open space. Well, you know what? I'm going to pause this because, jeez Louise, as cool as this is, I want to see it change direction. I just don't get how it's going through these clouds so fast. I mean, this thing, if it was in the atmosphere, it would be fucking sonic booms everywhere, right? Unless, of course, it has such a shape that that doesn't happen. Wow. Maybe I won't pause it just yet. Let's see if it pulls a nice big chunk of this cloud out with it. Leave a little vapor trail on the other side. And there it goes. I didn't see anything follow it. But it looks like it's leaving little puffs, little puffs behind it. I don't know why this has got my fascination so bad. Every freaking night I come on here looking for this stupid thing and I seem to find it. There's definitely a logical explanation for whatever this is. Alright, I paused it for a minute because I've been trying to, just so you know, it's paused. And that little dot right on the tip of my finger there that's it. And I paused it because I was trying to come up with some more hypotheses on what this thing is. And I'm thinking, is it see, that just kind of is blowing my theory right out of the water, because I'm thinking, is it possible, excuse me, that it's a focal point of the camera lens, and those little trails behind it maybe are photo pixelations, and we're not actually seeing something ripping across the atmosphere at 17,000 something miles an hour. Those little poofs though. I don't know, I'm coming up with all kinds of ideas to explain this. Well, I shouldn't say ideas, guesses. The spy satellite thing, I'm just not, I'm having a hard time with that because it just seems too low. I mean, you can't really tell distance, but you can tell it's a lot closer to the Earth than the space station is. Yet it's moving the same speed. Or close. Is it a camera focal point? I lost it. I lost it. I'm going to pause it again. So I've had this running for a few minutes. Like a while. You guys have been off. It's fucking gone. I'm waiting for the thing to pop back up again, but it's vanished for the time being. Oh, are you kidding me?